Hello,
Hello, teacher Roy.
what's your name?
My name is Roy.
And how old are you?
I like six.
Okay, and what color do you like? What color do you like?
Is blue.
Okay, what animal do you like? What animal do you like? Do you like rabbits or cats?
Cat.
Oh, cats. Okay, good job. Thank you, Rose. So, let's go. Let's start. What letter is it? A.
A.
A is for.
N.
What letter is it?
P.
Bus.
Bus.
Okay, what letter is it?
C. Cat.
And?
The.
Okay.
N. N.
Okay, great. F.
F.
Fish.
Fish.
Okay, what letter is it?
G.
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 And?
Where? Hand. Hand.
Alright. What letter is it? I.
Z.
Ice cream.
B.
Okay. J.
Jacket.
Okay, very good. What letter is that?
Kite.
And K is for?
E for key.
Good. What letter is it? Letter. L. L is for?
Lion.
Okay. What letter is it?
M.
M is for?
Moon.
What letter is it? N.
N.
N is for?
No.
Okay. What letter is it?
O.
O is for?
Onion.
What letter is it?
P.
P is for?
Pencil.
Okay. What letter is it?
P.
Q is for? Quilt.
World.
Okay. What letter is it?
R.
R is for?
Yellow.
Red.
Red.
Okay. What letter is it? S.
S.
S is for?
C.
Okay. What letter is it?
B.
T is for?
Joe.
What letter is it?
O.
U is for? Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Okay. What letter is it?
Y.
And V is for?
One.
Okay. What letter is it?
for you.
Very good. W is for whale.
Whale.
Yes, okay. What letter is it?
S.
X is for?
Xylophone.
Ah, good job. What letter is it? Y.
Y.
Y is for?
Zero.
And what letter is it?
Z.
Z is for?
Zebra.
Okay, good. So here we have some farm animals. What do you see?
Horse.
I
C
see.
a horse.
What do you see?
I see a rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a pig.
What do you see?
I see a cow.
What do you see?
I see a zebra.
Donkey.
Donkey.
What do you see?
I see a rooster.
And what do you see?
I see a hen.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
What do you see?
I see a goose.
And what do you see?
I see a sheep.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. High five. All right.